Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie T. For those of you who know me and for those of you who do, thank you for joining another wig review. Today's wig, I'll be doing a collab with two gorgeous honeys on YouTube. The first one is Jay Dunn and the second one is Magic of Blackness. So go ahead and watch me install my wig and then head over to their channels and watch their installs and let me know what you guys think. So without further ado, let's go. So now you've watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some of the specs about the unit that I picked up. So the unit that I picked up is from Outre in the style Bettina. I have Bettina in the color 43DR Honeycomb. Bettina is 10 inches. She does come with 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as HG transparent lace. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees, does have some peekaboo colors, has natural baby hairs, and it has premium synthetic fiber, which looks just like Yaki, which gives a oh so very natural looking unit for you to rock. This unit, what can I say about it? It is the perfect everyday unit. It is beginner friendly, bigot friendly, no shedding, no tangling, perfect length, great for the summer, and of course it has peekaboo. That's it. So now that I've watched my review, what do you guys think about Magical Blackness and Jay Dunn's review? So go ahead and go over to their channel, give them some love, and then come back and tell me how great their review was. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.